Oh my gosh, you guys. So, let me turn this, pause this real quick. A black family. So, we are in the hotel. This is the tour. I'm starting off in our bathroom. We have 2 rooms and a main living space. It's a bed. We just got in not too long ago, about maybe 30 minutes ago. Everybody else went to go eat. Me and my oldest didn't want to go. Just tired of driving. Here's a closet. That's the door. You come in, you have the kitchen area. That's the front door right there. Little bar area. Also, I have some pizza in the oven. I think I do. You make sure. Yeah. Some pizza warming up for my son. They have a refrigerator. Everything there. You have full-blown kitchen, y'all. Like, I'm loving this. This is just crazy. So that's the table there. We have the other bedroom. There is my child right there on the couch. Got 12 minutes to record. 12 minutes to record. Who wants to play the door? Okay. Because I got to go down here for a couple of seconds. You take a drink with him? I don't think so. Not the best lighting, I'm dark. You can't see me. Oh, there we are. Alright, I'm gonna stop now. Excuse me. So, it's raining, but we still came here to see the place. Supposed to be a waterfall or something here, y'all. See that umbrella? It's not raining too bad. Okay. Yes, it's hot time. Wait a minute. I'm here.
So guys, it looks like we're on a dinosaur and we're going through the jungle. We didn't travel far yet. There's my dinosaur. There's my grandpa. And that's my mom. That's my brother. You guys changed a lot. My dad's just funny. Guys, also remember this joke and tell your parents it. What's brown and sticky? A stick. Don't forget to tell your parents that. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and ring that bell.
Thank you, sir. Alright. So these two have been going at it all morning. All morning.
Rocks in my shoes.
Let's see what we can find here. It's pretty though. Even though it's snake and rocks. We're going to find the trail. There's my oldest. He's mad. He'll be alright. I still love him. Sorry, y'all. So nice and pretty. So it is, what day is it? Saturday. And hashtag mom life. It's all good. Yeah, Saturday. So we have the other half of our reunion later on today. We gotta take pictures and all that type of stuff. And we are actually going on a bear hunt. Not really. But excuse me, y'all. I just ate breakfast. And we are trying to find this waterfall or something like that. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, so we're just walking through. Alright guys, so isn't that pretty? How cute is that? I mean, just so green. I love it. Alright, so we made our way to the waterfall. I'm sure y'all can hear it. Sorry, it's a little bumpy, but I'm gonna try to get down here and show y'all as much as I can. So pretty. I'm trying not to fall either. Look. So pretty. I got a picture. Oh. Going down some more stairs. Don't want to fall.
Look how pretty it is.
I know. Go ahead. You're gonna be good. Trust me. Come on, we'll go together. We'll go together. Ooh, a little. Okay. We're going. Huh?
Tag me.
No.
No, she just tagged me.
It's pretty. What is this behind me? I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, Jesus.
Mommy, can I have a
Okay.
flashlight? Randy, you have a flashlight on your phone. Can anyone bring a flashlight? Daddy, Papa.
There's nothing in there.
Whatever you use, they might take my phone. So.
I will let them.
Trying to see.
Okay.
And if I was inside the chair, I'll
Don't scream and drop my phone.
Don't apply any flash, then all the bats are going to come out.
If there's bats here, and there's also vampire bats. Did I see a bat or something?
Oh, gosh. You can tear up your bones. Moving right along.
Stay on trail.
This area is rested. Do not enter. Stay on trail. Stay off cliff.
Oh, the cave probably goes around and comes out right here because there's another cave.
Oh, okay. I see.
Aliyah, the cave goes around to here.
I'm wanting to just go.
It's not fast.
Mm-hmm.
Do anyone want to go rock climbing?
Yeah.
Where's the rest of my
I'm
crew?
wanting to go this way.
They coming. Ooh.
Oh, it's really slow over there. Come in the cave. Just taking a sign again.
Oops, sorry.
No, you're fine.
Where's the rest of my crew? All right, y'all.
No.
Why is it all y'all right now?
Whoa.
What in the world?
Ooh.
Okay, I got it. Okay, I'm out. T-Rex.
So what is that? Chicken on a stick, honey chicken, General Toso. I don't know. Chicken, chicken, salmon, fried rice, but it's yellow. Confused.
The same.
Same.
These are both amazing.
Oh,
They're both amazing.
sushi.
I'm gonna try some.
Mama, what you got? Some noodles and something. Zaya has what's left. He's tearing it up right now. I'm not sure.
You take it.
There's no potato salad.
I got a couple of in the restaurant, but I can tell just from smelling it that it's instant coffee.
That's pretty.
Hello. Uh-uh.